wasn't planning to do this, but we gotta rescue somebody. Why not taking the camera with me, right? If you're not familiar with New Jersey, we got a snowstorm. We're in the middle of the snowstorm. I gotta clean up the truck so we can go out. This would do. It's not the best, but would do. Look at this, dude. How much snow, dude. This is because I clean it. I did clean it like 3 times. Bad thing is you guys not gonna see anything because it's so dark. Dude, it's bad. They didn't plow my street. Actually, they didn't plow anything, to be honest. There he is. Should be just a jump start. What's up, man? Yeah, you?
Yeah, thanks for coming.
Sure.
Yeah, I mean...
Do you think I can put it on next to yours?
Yeah, you might be able to like pull forward and back up and get kind of close enough to the cable. I don't know what side your battery's on, but the cable's kind of long.
It's on this side.
Okay.
I can back up on the drive. It's clean?
I cleared out as much as I could next to the truck.
Alright. He's actually my landscaper. I rescued my landscaper. So we just jump it. So the Colorado did though. Actually, it's plowing through it. Look at that. It's literally plowing through it. I'm not gonna put the seatbelt. So it's really bad. They didn't plow my street. They plow it like 3-4 times, I believe, but still. Well, it is a shame that it is dark. You guys probably cannot see my face, but the truck did amazing. I shovel it and the truck did amazing. Look at that. We rescue one. Dude, that's a nice picture. But I'll put up on the driveway and I'll call for the day. The rock lights also. Dude, if you don't have a rock lights, make sure to get one because everybody can see you in situations like this. So really nice, really nice. Loving helping people. And who said that, you know, mid-size truck is not capable of it? The only thing sucks is my brand new paint. But besides that, I love it. I love it. Look at that. How cool it is. So this was a quick upload. I know it's hard to show with a GoPro, but I did my best and I hope you guys enjoy. I'll put you guys up on the driveway. My GoPro died, but we made it. And I'm super proud of the truck. Here's my driveway. Look at the project car. I think it's gonna take a while for us to fix this. I don't know, dude. I think we got like more than 2 feet of snow. I cleaned so much today, probably 11 o'clock. But hey, you cannot say no to a friend. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick upload. I'm sorry I could not show that much, but hey, you hang out with me. That's what's cool, right? So we'll see what we're gonna do with the project car and the truck though. Man, I'm so proud of this truck. So proud of this baby right here.
6.5 hours later.
Well, This is the following day. See, it wasn't that bad, but can you imagine if I wasn't coming out? Look at, that's how much. I think just last night we got like, I don't know, 13, no, not 13, but at least like 6 inches, you see? And I need to take advantage of it because it's still like super light. And yeah, as you guys know, I like to have fun. I like to bring you guys something different. We're going to try to snowboard right there. So look at it. This car is gonna be here for a while. I was planning on work on this, and the truck, even though I cleaned it up yesterday, is still covered, but we're gonna give her a treat because I need to go out to help some family. And well, let's get the snowboard started. Have fun, doesn't matter what. As long as you were warm though, it's not that bad. I mean, yes, last night was bad because at night you cannot see anything, but now we should be good. I did 2 passes, so I'm not gonna waste time with the camera. I wanna save the battery for when we're doing fun stuff. So my question for you is, when are we gonna take that car out? Maybe by April, maybe by May, I don't know. But the thing is, I'm tired. The truck's the only one I clean because if I have to drive, that's the car I'm gonna drive, or either I'll drive my wife's car. Just to give you guys idea how big is my driveway. I think I never show this on a vlog, so I think this is the perfect opportunity to show you guys. The truck's here running, but you see how far that goes, so I have to clean up until there. So it's a lot of work. We'll see if I can get it to go snowboarding, but if you don't, I just share with you guys a little bit of my snow day. That's great too, snowboarding though. That over there is great. So here it's where you guys see the most part of my vlogs going on, and you saw how long is my driveway. People say like, oh, why are you taking so long to do your driveway? Dude, this thing is freaking long. I love it because I have a lot of privacy here, but for the winter, snowstorm sucks. One of the things about living in my property, it's very like, it's not flat at all. And everybody say, oh, I don't want a property like yours. The only time it's worth it to have it, of course, because of the privacy, that's one good plus. But second one, it's when it snows, you have a mountain on your backyard, and that's what I'm gonna take advantage of now. So I think that the challenge is gonna be, look at this, to get at the top and come down. Let's see. I'm so out of shape. It's not hard enough that you cannot come like easy. I do blame COVID because I was so in shape. I'm so out of shape. Oh my god. That doesn't mean you are dead if you don't play with your kid. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. Sorry for the shake footage, but there's no way it could be different. I'm so tired. Well, I went today's vlog like this because my kid's not happy with this. No, I don't blame him, but it was his first experience. So I'll see you guys next upload. Never forget, enjoy our life like this and work hard for it.